Ublalodak, Kanuit busy. Today is Thursday. What day? All day today, let's be responsible. Always try to do our best. Cooperate with others and let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. For our younger kids, I have this picture to discuss in your circle today. So if you need to pause your video, now is the time to pause your video and form your circle. When you do finish forming your circle, talk about what's going on. What do you see? Where do you think these kids are? What do you think is happening? And how do you think these kids are impacted? Talk in your circles and see what everyone comes up with. For older students, focus on this image. Talk in your circle what's going on. What do you see? What do you observe? Look carefully. Look at different expressions. Look where they are. Look what's going on. Talk about what you see, what's happening, what according to you is happening. And how do you think each one of these girls must be impacted? And then talk about how each one of them must be feeling. Have a great discussion today in your circle and see what everyone comes up with. I hope you guys came up with different perspectives, different observations, and I hope it was a great time discussing these pictures in your circle. I hope you guys have an awesome day and happy learning.